there? What you got there? What you got there? What you got there? To the bird. To the bird. To the bird. To the bird. Go birdie, go birdie, go birdie, go birdie. Hey birdie, go birdie. What you gonna do? Go up the ladder, go up the ladder. No, you're not. You're gonna chew on the thing. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Oh, he's getting cocky. He's going backwards. Oh, he's ripping stuff up. Oh. Ashley?
Oh, that was so cute.
I think there's something wrong with this bird. He's got a little cuckoo.
He's dancing.
Why are they braided with a little number on them?
So they know what they are. He's dancing.
To the bird. To the bird. He's hiding. He's hiding. Holy crap. What's he doing? Oh, he's eating. Oh, he's chewing on it. Actually, look at this. Look, he's getting like right in there. Look at him. Look at this. As he's trying to get in there. Look, he's trying to stick his fat head in there, but he can't reach. Holy crap, fatty. Calm down. You've had enough. Look at your price. It's $600. Hey, don't fight over things. I use that. What are you doing?